Welcome. If you have any problem with your Oppo Enco 3 headphones, I recommend you to start with the hard reset method. So let's open the Bluetooth settings right here on our Android smartphone. As you can see, these Oppo Enco 3 headphones are connected. So right now you have to open the charging case and click this button right here until this dot is start blinking on the red color 3 times. So let's hold it and just wait. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, and right now just relay the key, close it, and right now when we try to connect with them, there will be the pairing. Oh yeah, so let's pair them again, and right now you can try to use it. Probably everything will be working. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.